Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tanja's World. How y'all doing? Y'all. Oh, hold up. Production. Y'all, welcome, and thank you for taking time out your day to come back and see about your girl. Y'all, I really wasn't gonna film like dead ass, and I know y'all always hear me say that, right? But y'all did so good, I had to come on here and share, which I made some loaded what? Sausage dogs today. And I tasted one already. Y'all, thank you for taking time out your day. I don't have any onions on here. I probably should have put some on here, but that's okay. I got I got my jalapeno peppers over here. Got chili and cheese, banana peppers, uh, some sauerkraut, loaded. Let's get into it. Ooh. And I fried these sausage babies to the gods in the air fryer. Ooh. You talking about good, honey. I'm talking about loaded. You hear me? I don't wanna throw away nothing. I don't wanna leave nothing behind. It's so loaded, honey. I can't even eat it like a regular dog. Mm. Mm. Y'all see my jaws? Mm. That's good. And a little bit of the drink left in that. Can y'all see what's in the house? Woo! Got a few chips. These are my salt and vinegar. Uh, oh, this good. I'm getting ready to watch a movie, y'all, in just a second. Um, mm, that's good. I ain't want none. None at all. I probably would have drank one of my teas, but I didn't have any tea in the refrigerator. That's cold. And I could have got some ice and got one, but I was like, and I had to go outside and all that, and because I keep my supply not in the house with me because I be trying to monitor myself. I be having to do little tricks to fool myself. Cause honey, I'm like a kid. I ain't got no self-control. I'm telling y'all my truth. Mm. Mm. That bite. Mm. 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 Yeah. I wish I had got a tea. Ooh. I haven't posted another video I made. Y'all, I'm so behind. I'm telling my friend at work about the video I made. The corn dog. It's so good. I gotta post it. It's where you cook your corn out like you normally cook it. Bust it down the middle and put your chili and cheese over in there. That was the best corn dog I think I've ever had. Mm-hmm. Mm. I'm making a mess. Sometimes you just gotta do a big bite. Get everything in there. Mm-hmm. That's good. I was gonna do some fries, but it would have been too much. I toasted my my bun also. Ooh, this good. Another big bite. Mmm. Afternoon. Mm-hmm. Divine. Divine, honey. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this. Somebody say I feel my belly, but Lord knows it ain't gonna go to waste. It's not gonna go to waste. I can promise you that. This here is good. Y'all. One of my friends is retired. Excuse me. I told y'all, looking for. It was such a good, beautiful little going away party. When I say truly a good man in my, I mean, not saying that he perfect. I know he got flaws. I know his wife would be like, I don't know about all that. But when I say a good little co-worker, a good friend, a good person to give advice from on how to fix stuff and figure out stuff and how to do stuff, he that guy. He a man. You know what I mean? And what I mean by that, he ain't timid in his spirit. You know, I laugh at him because why? He bold. He say what he say. And he mean what he say. He like who he like, and he don't like who he like. Period. But he treat everybody kind, though. You know what I mean? And he stand in his truth. And he stand up for what is just and what is right. For the most part, from what I've seen of his character. We're gonna miss him. He'll be truly missed. Hard-working man, too. Worked 2 full-time jobs. Yeah, he did. Good guy. I just tease him all the time. I be like, is it any more on y'all street like you? Is it any more on the street like you? Because I'm coming to get one of y'all. Yeah. Good guy. Family man. Excuse me, all that. And not only have I seen him be loving to his own family, but I've seen him be an example. He is loving also to his extended family. Amen. I have, not that I not just witnessed it, but I have heard him in conversation with his family. It's a beautiful thing. Like I say, I don't watch what you say, I watch what you do. And do. But I wish him well. I wish him long life, good luck, good health, wealth, success, all that. To him and his family. I really do. Yeah. Sure do. And I was so happy that the gift that I wound up picking the gift out for him, which was some, we wound up getting him some, look at me. Somebody say, pay attention and turn the knife over. We wound up getting him some, I thought I wasn't going to finish this, but I think I am. But I knew if I had some fries, I couldn't finish both, but that's why I didn't cook any. We wound up getting him some golf shoes because he likes to golf. And but y'all, them golf shoes, I did not know how expensive they were. But he so liked them, and they fit good and all that. So I was so happy that he really liked them. Yeah. But I got a belch. Excuse me, there it is. Excuse me. So yeah, big bite, y'all. Yeah. All right. Hold up. Production. Yep. Well, y'all, I think that's it. I tried. That was good, though. If I sit here long enough and get on the phone and start scrolling or whatever, I'll probably go ahead and eat this other bite. But for now, I'm full. Right? Y'all, I love me some y'all, right? Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others when you can, right? If you're on the highway, what you gonna do? Be careful back and forth, right? Love yourself. Always love on someone else. And I'm gonna see you next time.